Whew. So here it is. Well, one thing, I got a full tank. That's 20 gallons of fuel, and here it is. So each one contains 5 gallons, and there are 40. I got 40 ready to go, filtered. 40 cubies. That's 200 gallons plus 20 in the tank. That's 220 gallons worth of fuel ready to go. I am stocked up. I'm ready to go, and got more to filter. Got these filters on this string, tennis string, going through there. This thing is done. I haven't spilled one drop, just so you know. This spaghetti strainer, this is the end of the barrels, are kind of nasty, so they all go in here. Goes through 2 spaghetti strainers, gardening felt, and then a mesh thing. This thing is full as well, so that's another 55 gallons. We're looking at 275 gallons worth of fuel. That's a lot of fuel. We'll be good for 6 months, I think.